Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to be talking about drugstore makeup, but not just any drugstore makeup, Polish drugstore makeup. I went over to West London a couple of days ago and I went to a Polish drugstore and I picked up lots of bits and pieces, some popular brands, and I just want to take you through what I found. They seem to be very, very cost effective, but really, really nice products, very popular. So I just want to show you what I've got. So the first product I want to show you is this pearl base by a company called BIELENDA. Okay, this is a professional makeup brand. I guess you could say it's a little bit on par with Makeup Revolution in that you can buy it in a drugstore, but it's considered to be a professional brand as well. Very, very popular in Poland. I like the look of this because there's little beads. This is the latest one they do. They do 2 or 3 of these. They've got sort of goldeny beads as well, and they remind me very much of the Guerlain meteorites. I've already used this under my skin. This is a primer and it's also a serum, so I just want to show you, it gives you a little bit of sort of iridescence and glow in your skin. So it comes in a lovely handy pump, and just pop that. I'm just going to show you. 1 pump is enough for all of your face, and just pop that over your moisturiser. Use it as a primer, so that sinks in nicely. It gives your skin a nice sort of sheen. It doesn't feel sticky. It's very light, and a tiny little pump goes a very, very long way, as you can see. Look, it's got a very sort of pleasant, very, very pleasant, slight sort of rosy smell, which is really nice as well. So you can see that is dried, but it's left a nice sort of iridescence. You could use it on its own if you didn't want to put any foundation on. I have, for the purpose of this video, put a bit of foundation on. Really, really nice. Gives your skin a natural sort of glow. So in fact, you know what I want to do, sort of like a daytime spring everyday makeup for you today using drugstore makeup. Next product I've got is Ziaja Biała Vazelina. This is like a nice sort of balm. It's very, very inexpensive. It's really light, very, very light without feeling sticky. You know, one of those kind of all-purpose products to give yourself just a bit of hydration. I'm going to pop some on my eyelids for a bit of gloss. I just want an easy daytime makeup. I guess this is the next best thing to 8 Hour Cream by Elizabeth Arden, only it is a tiny, tiny fraction of the cost. You know, 8 Hour Cream is one of those things you put in your dry elbows. You know what, if you've got a bit of flaky skin, use it as an eye cream. I've used it as an eye gloss, lip balm. It's one of those products. I think it's great, and it's really light. It's not as sticky as 8 Hour Cream. It's not as heavy as Vaseline. It's very light. I don't know what it's got in it. It's all in Polish, but it's nice. I love this packaging, the clean, simple, sort of white and black. It really, really appeals, which makes it unisex, I guess, as well. The store that I went into didn't have all the skincare, but I'm going to be taking a trip down there next week, so hopefully I'll be able to show you some of my finds. I'm really, really excited about that. So next I'm going to move on to cheeks. I bought this product by Eveline Cosmetics. Very inexpensive again, very, very popular in Poland. You know what, it's just a pretty, pretty colour, perfect for this time of year, lovely daytime. This comes in peachy pink. So, you know what, I love quick makeups. So I'm just going to grab my brush, take some of that product, shake off the excess, and just pop that in the apples of my cheeks. I love that. Really, really, can you tell? Really subtle, just gives my cheeks a little bit of colour. I love it. Just pretty, just sort of light, uplifting. I don't know how to describe it. It's not, you know, loads and loads of pigment. It's just pretty, it just gives you that sort of natural hue of colour. And again, they've got plenty of selection in terms of shades. If you can't get down to West London or a Polish drugstore, all these products, they are available on Amazon. Next, we're going to move on to lips. I have 2 colours here. I've got this one, it's called Vibrant Cherry. It's more of a sort of bold, sort of crimson red, I guess. I'll just show that to you. It's very lovely, gorgeous colour there. And I've also got this sort of chubby stick, the Lover's Rouge. I like the sound of that. I love chubby sticks, as you know. I'm a great fan of them. I like that because it's sheer, it's glossy. You know, it really depends on the look that you're after. I like both. Maybe first thing in the morning, something like this would be nice. Later on in the afternoon, if you want to look a little bit more sort of groomed, if you want a little bit more definition, it's really, really nice if you've got a nice bold lip and very sort of clean, simple eyes like I've got. You know, if you haven't got the gloss on, you could always just do a little bit of winged eyeliner. That would work just as well, but it's quite nice when you have a bold lip and you're wearing like a, you know, a white shirt like I am, just sort of bright red lips and something very neutral on the eyes. So I'm going to go for this one and I'm going to show you the lipstick and you can decide for yourself which one you prefer. Actually, that's quite bold. It's not sheer at all. I really, really like this. It's really, really nice. It reminds me of the Bourjois one. In terms of consistency, the colour is much more intense than my Bourjois Chubby stick. I guess they're different. They're both sheer, they're both chubby sticks, they're both lovely, and this one is a fraction of the Bourjois cost. So I'm going to block my lips now. You've seen this look, and I'm going to apply the Vibrant Cherry lipstick. Wow, this smells fruity as well. It's nice. I love this lipstick. It's gorgeous. It smells of watermelon. It feels comfortable. It's intense. I can't believe it was just like a couple of pounds. I can't believe it. It's really, really lovely. Honestly, you've got to see it to believe it. It's one of the best lipsticks I have ever used, and that is no exaggeration. I don't know about you, but I am really loving this look. It's so simple. It's taken me literally a couple of minutes to apply. Brilliant, brilliant everyday makeup. The final product I want to show you is this powder by Inglot. You've probably heard of Inglot. Believe it or not, they're a Polish brand. So I've got this white powder over here. I'm just going to use it as a sort of highlighter under my eyes and a little bit on my brow bone, maybe a teeny bit down the centre of my nose. So I'm just going to take a small brush just to sort of brighten that area. So in case you weren't aware, Inglot is a huge brand actually. It is Polish and it is available online. You can get it in Oxford Street, there's a store. There is also a store within Westfield, so it's very widely available and it's endorsed by JLo, in case you're interested. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of my video. I really, really hope you enjoyed my review on Polish makeup. I thought it was fantastic, some lovely, lovely products there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, that really, really helps me. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye!